back to the Gusii region. We're just coming to the end of the show. Simbarati na kwanete na mwale ngali na kwarwe to matanga bonyonga akaindikitinga kaaba gusimba karansanse bagambamo bakonya matiyangi na kiroche ngojale timu
maite Simbarati me I stopped understanding him. So I can't understand him even now. Simbarati ya ekaraja ete chukurate tena romo no karibu aba Gusii
ona
teliba akaenda Gusii akayuchukura ka romo no karibu aba Gusii lakini kona lero akono geraba sikisi kindo je kona geraba Gusii abantu wants be my brother to angel na this go behind our person whether ngo ikare tebe kuzengo ikare kini at the moment the unifying factor yo Gusii matiang.
Okay.
So egro mundo ne orado de na ki na no mundo tamo agre kura
ebalimo
no rio no yore balimo utara ka bo go be balimo you must start putting the people together
taivo.
so I think Arati has lost it to be very sincere and Arati had a lot of respect for Aba Gusii because now they don't want to do Aba Gusii but when you are there we have abandoned a candidate ito ya bono na garo ODM ODM ye yoke ko teba ba de broad based erivuye ko mnyata nyo tena nje no mu broad based umuntu ngo support matiyangi then you tell us no that Aba Gusii to ba mo I think he has lost it. The best thing is say it now or never. He said that you are associated with matiyangi at the moment or never.
Urochi na asali chikura chama cha Gusii.
Dago sari. Aba Gusii they are decided. Anyway, even if you go to Captain Buya, Aba Gusii they have decided matiyangi ba wa kara chikura.
Okay.
So anybody ura be tadies matiyangi na soti wire. Itakuwa ngumu. To tobo.
Obo governor urochi na ira.
Again, already has lost it, I say. Because what I'm saying he has lost it, it's not coming out clear. Whatever position ya na yo Gusii one disadvantage ya wa tene ya tene no mono karibu Aba Gusii lakini bona akono gera
basikizi
abasikizi bono that one alone you have it very difficult to the via bona bono na ira ndera no jaga etakuwa ni ngumu akong Aba Gusii bono ya Gusii ba no teba ogana matiyangi nyondo na matiyangi then ade you know abantu abande ba batari na matiyangi ko nyabara ko buri na ki nango ikare tebe ngyo korere tebe ay kabene yiro ando wori na ja ikete ngyo korere tebe but matiyangi ya said is a presidential candidate aba kanya bono aba candidate bindo bia serikali ayakana na barabu wa mangana ya
naroche mushimo nyonka nera gawateva ngo swali geti ntomete na bata matanga lakini na kyoroche kerenge kyo go swali geti osobo gavana mbiyalo gose
abantu bakuru kubuna supporters those are the languages about Tagagoyo lakini ona iko ruka nazara bo mone wana timbu ati bidanga yura jiko ngrenji ko babu mo gabara lakini njota tota beka kwa nyorere opportunity iyo wote moja kuira na magagare tota na ki na tagete kujiari lakini bono na iranire expectations jiabana oyo nde umwishimi wonyonka is a very good politician lakini at the moment ingonya turukwa na nero tomotabie ajatigere macho.
Okay.
So initially as people who are in leadership who come from Kisii and who like myself I'm in Jubilee ndojo tutabia abantu batigere machogu support machogu for governor
Kisii County
and I remember machogu nero ranyare yako gara one na water resources second ya banyari na bange na the third libono na beto minister na madra kira jogora because unless he support he's going against you mondo ikaranze de gero utari very easy
even
Simbarati is not a pushover like that because one he has the resources onyo Simbarati to urete Gusii akanda ajia kaira jukura
urete Nairobi akanda kaira Gusii
ojani akaru Nairobi akanda Gusii akaira jukura so the same mondo le pushover so we got no mondo le equally strong in terms of finances and I'm sure mondo what the financial support macho yes
Nyamira na kiorocha manganari
Nyamira is they has not come out clear. Kogera abantu bako bori ororo nturamanya barabia barakini ngondo jena Penny Mumanyi and Chanua na Bosire buya na Bosire Timothy Bosire Penny Mumanyi na Chanua one of them never have na Nyamira but for me I think waro como jani ba Penny Mumanyi na bwate Penny Mumanyi and maybe Chanua Bosiro my don't go there an error of late in Kiataka. I have not seen him. So even when I saw him Maurice Matiang, he has not come out clear to say so it's between Penny Mumanyi and Chanua and Penny Mumanyi abantu babura bunkorora barasana batana batetera na ukiwa
aboli
over MP na nini and no Nyalibo umaita Nyalibo is a very cunning person yoko nyaka kuwa na ngali ga kuwa una tamanya pira kini is also no person
okay UPA na kimoshi kwenye karabusi akabona tuba Jubilee ende tutwale
UPA teyo abantu barite baje babune bintu bijama ndutaite jamenda yonsi smart yangi atali so waenda wafunje zo masamba chama sote wengie Jubilee
Ishe. Nomination ifanye the best candidate to win.
Yeah. But what we need to do, no wakora nomination jire free and fair.
Okay.
So they say the person to interview the basawako. Let the people bali baje ko nominated fairly. Freely, so that the two are the best candidate.
Okay.
You still will have to, but if the about also going to interview, now one for example, then Aram and Jenda get the monte get the Gurua as a get you that one will make many people to lose in the battle of Jubilee.
Okay.
So one of the things what our presidential candidate, there's have free and fair nominations in GC.
Mheshimiwa, we are coming to the end of the show. Kwani Abagusi, your last words as we finish.
Abagusi na kubabulia sibale enteke mona tikatobe magaya Fred Matiang'i bono nere utobe kamu na Abagusi. Na Abagusi bons pia sibale onde bwensi utare jowa pia ni Fred Matiang'i. Ne chama Elias Matiang'i ya jukuru jukura korwa. Tigamba mwakira jukura gaenda kaini kirudi myself.
Bien, sana mheshimiwa.
Asante.
Thank you. Have a good day.